Hello everyone, welcome to a new YouTube video where I'm comparing the sound of a normal airsoft gun compared with it being shot through a box right there. Yeah, right where my hand is touching the weird shadow spot right there. Yeah, that's where the box is. So in that corner, that will be where the box is right here. Yeah, that box. The box make it sound amplified, so here we go. I ain't going to be doing it way far away from it because it flies through it, so it's better if I do it close to where it breaks it rather than it just flying right at me out of nowhere. I need to even reload this. Hold on. And this is an older airsoft model, so don't judge me. That's it being amplified. And here's the noise. I never. Okay, don't. I ain't gonna say what the hell happened, but yeah, that's it. So, like less, it's like quieter normally, but when it's shooting through the cardboard box, it is loud as hell and echoes a bit. And my room is a bit echoey, so yeah. See y'all in the next YouTube video when I have a chance to make one. Goodbye.